It's your friend Oscar here, and pretty much what I'm gonna be doing now is I'm gonna be blogging every day. I started liking what I do, and at first I honestly didn't know how bloggers did this. I always thought it was weird talking in front of a camera. But I guess you could say I got used to this. Um, and what I'm gonna be starting, well, I already blogged when Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and so I'm gonna start blogging every day. So that includes Thursdays and Tuesdays. And what I'm gonna be talking about Tuesdays and Thursdays is gonna be more about what I do on a daily basis, right? So something like a frequently asked question is what I do on a daily basis, and pretty much that's I guess that's what I'm gonna be doing in these blogs. Is I'm gonna be blogging about what I do on a daily basis. See, like today, I woke up at 7:30 in the morning because I had a business presentation with my good friend slash brother of mine, David Sotelo, and so we had a presentation with him at 10, and then after that we went. Well, I had an errand and responsibility to do, so I really didn't get home until about 4, for like 4:30, and I was stoked. I sold a box of coffee, and yeah, me and my parents were gonna go to the system. And for those of you guys don't know what a system or what the system is we have weekly meetings for our business, and that's where like 100 people go, and we have all the diamonds, and like 100 and 200 people go a week, and we pretty much just talk about the business, how the business is going, business presentations for the new people, and we were gonna go, but we ended up not going because my dad was sick and my mom had homework to do for her school, and I guess it was good and bad thing because I really wanted to go. I was really stoked about it, and but I guess it gave me a chance to do my blogs today. I was actually thinking because I was running super late today. I had a lot of stuff to do, and it kind of gave me a chance to do my blogs, and gave me a chance to do a lot of stuff that I haven't done in forever. Like right now, I'm actually playing Call of Duty, which we just won. Capture the flag. Something I haven't done forever is play my Xbox. Um, we're playing a little bit Call of Duty here that I haven't played in forever. And let's see what else. Have me and my girlfriend been dating for about 3 years and 3 months. Her name is Jocelyn, and I love her a lot. And yeah, and see what else. So something I do on a daily basis. That's pretty much what I did today, and pretty much I'm gonna be blogging every day now. Tuesdays and Thursdays are gonna be about what I did that day, I guess you could say, or I'm gonna be doing random stuff. So if you guys want, you guys can inbox me or message me or comment, and I'll be doing, I guess you could say, random stuff. Kind of like Wednesdays, but not business, more normal. So I'm gonna let you guys choose. I'm gonna see. I'm gonna try first. I'm gonna try to do Tuesdays and Thursdays because it's hard for me as already to do Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays because I'm a busy guy, and and yeah. See what else. My family. I have mom, dad, sister that is 12, and a dog that's named Canelo. He is a Labrador slash Pit Bull. He's a brown lab. If you guys could check him out on my Facebook, I have a couple of pictures with him or Instagram. Um, but yeah, I'm gonna try to upload a video tomorrow. Um, See you guys then. All right.